Coach, match day 9 on the horizon. Unfortunately, unbeaten run came to an end on Wednesday. How does that play into our preparation for Sunday's game?
A lot, because we need to make sure that we approach the game with all the needed tactical seriousness to be able to make sure that we'll get a maximum points.
We are facing a side that last season picked up 4 points out of the 6, and this season it looks as if all the teams that we struggled against last season we had the better of. How are we approaching this game in terms of trying to deny the opposition openings and potentially cutting off their threats?
Yeah, I think this is an entirely new squad with a lot of quality, and I think that they have a lot of desire to play. They show a lot of effort and commitment on the field. So we just have to make sure that whatever tactical intel we have gathered about our opponent, we make sure that we try to create situations that will help us overcome those strengths that they have and then take advantage of the weaknesses that we have identified.
Your opponent, in terms of the head coach at the opposite dugout, is Bashiru, a man who knows this ground very well because he won the league with Asante Gold. He's one of the most respected managers in the league. How different or difficult it is to meet people of such caliber coming up against teams that are coached by coaches like yourself who have won the league before?
I think, as you said, Bash is a senior man and a seasoned coach. He's seen it all in the Ghana Premier League, and especially on these grounds. I think we just have to keep our calm, and then as the game unfolds, try to see what we can do to make the game better for us. So, I mean, he knows everything about the game. We just have to watch him as the game unfolds and then take the necessary tactical decisions.
Coach, in the last 2 games, it was clear that the grounds on which we played, both games that we played at Baseke and Accra, the pitch didn't aid or didn't help the way we see your team playing in matches at the Linkley. You return on Sunday against a team that is well coached. How happy are you to return, especially with the condition of the pitch as against the previous 2 that you played on?
I think looking at the pitch today, I mean, it looks very good, and we just have to make sure that we become very optimistic that whatever tactical approach we are taking into the game will work. As you said, I mean, it's looking good, and then I'm sure that it's our home grounds. They will be more comfortable and they will be able to play.
Coach, lastly, are we having any injury worries, any suspensions ahead of this game, and your message to the fans as usual?
Yeah, for now, for injury situation, it's still Solomon Sarr who is out. Suspension, Joseph Ablo has gotten 3 yellow cards, which per the loss of the game rules him out of the game. So he's going to be out of the squad. Apart from that, everybody is fine to play. With respect to our supporters, I want to tell them that we are ready to put smiles on their faces. They should be calm. They should support the team. That's the nature of the game. We know they least expected us to lose against Legon cities, but then we lost. But then that doesn't mean that it is over. We still have so many games. The way they have supported us from the beginning, they should still keep supporting us that way. They should still have that confidence, that belief in us. They should still have that respect for the team, that the team is capable of winning games and winning the championship. So we are very happy with their support. We understand their emotions because they think that the team is a very good team. If they know that the team is not a good team, I don't think they will react the way they are reacting. they know that it's a good team. That's why they are reacting the way they are reacting. So I've told the players that we have to put smiles on their faces. So we accept whatever reactions they are putting out there and want to assure them that we'll bounce back to put smiles on their faces.
Thank you, Coach, and we wish you the very best of luck.
Thank you.